The PNP leadership assures justice to the brutal and heartless killing of a PNP staff trooper in the Mama Sapano incident. A video showing the gruesome killing went viral on the internet. Alvin Baltazar filed this report.
The PNP leadership vowed to go after the perpetrators of the brutal killing against a staff member included in the Mama Sapano encounter. The assurance was made by the police hierarchy in connection with the death of the staff member who was shot on his jaw and head while fighting for his life, which was unfortunately posted in Facebook. PNP PIO Chief Police Chief Superintendent Generoso Sermo said that what was seen on social media was so traumatic and can only be performed by heartless individuals.
As it is, nakita natin yung video, hindi siya maganda, nakakalungkot. Kaya personally, talagang hindi maganda yung nakita natin sa video.
Sermo added that in any war, there is an existing law that must be followed and that what was shown over Facebook is a clear violation among the perpetrators. The official admitted that it's so hurting to see such kind of video that shows the agony of their colleague who sustained brutal gunshots done in a close range.
Maski naman sa batas ng digmaan, maski naman sa mga conflict, may mga sinusunod na protocols. In addition to that, meron tayong mga international humanitarian law at may batas tayo dito sa bansa natin. That's a plain and simple murder, di ba? Wala nang laban yung binaril doon sa video.
Yesterday, OIC PNP Deputy Director General Leonardo Espina can't hold back his tears at the lower house and expressed his feelings towards the brutal death of what he dubbed as his children who are in need of justice. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.